What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I got a real simple, easy build. This is for Ron's 2021 Jeep Wrangler. They are the OEM LED headlights. They are used. He gave me the headlights. He gave me the Diode Dynamics RGBW Halo kit. So all I provided was the installation services, which basically means I do what Jeep owners can't do, which is open these headlights professionally. They are not the most difficult Permaseal headlights to open by far. However, they are not beginner entry-level type Permaseal headlights. So if you have no experience doing this, I don't necessarily recommend it for you. These are running off of the Diode Dynamics app. So currently I've just got it on the 7-color crossfade. You can see that we can put them on any sort of static color as well. That's green, that's blue. They do have a dedicated pure white chip, which is beautiful and pleasant. These are the LED drivers for these products, and this is the Bluetooth controller for this setup. This app has some modes that it'll do. Let's put it on the 7-color jump and we'll slow it down a little bit and it'll just keep on going like that. Personally, these builds aren't very exciting for me. It's just installation of product, plus I don't even get to do the install on the vehicle, which is lame, but that's what the customer wants, so that's what the customer gets. If I had free range on a build like this, then first of all, I'd do some paint work on there, bring that body color into the headlight. I wouldn't be using static color changing products. I'd probably be doing an addressable array, and then we could do some cool animations and integrate with the vehicle for startup and shutdown, turn signal, etc. Maybe even a lens etching if we're feeling froggy. But since I do this for a living, I feel qualified to stereotype people based on their vehicles, and Jeep owners are a very special breed of people who like to buy off-the-shelf products. They like to know exactly what they're gonna get, and they don't exactly have that creative vision to see that custom can actually be cool. But let's be real, there's about 20 different headlight options for the Jeep Wrangler, so it's pretty unlikely that I'm gonna get to do one of those full-fledged custom builds of my dreams. That's it, super quick video. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. All builds are custom made to order. If you are interested in a build for yourself, then you must submit a build request via the form on the website. The link to that website will also be in the video description. As always, thanks for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later. Bye!